Cameron, a federal judge says Arizona broke the law, taking $2.2 billion from the state land trust fund, using it to fund public education.
So it amounts to more than $300 million a year through 2025. Arizona doesn't have to pay that money back, but it will have to replace it.
In 2016, many saw Prop 123 as the best way to solve the state's education funding crisis. Offered up by the governor, endorsed by the legislature, supported by teachers and parents, Prop 123 allowed Arizona to siphon $2.2 billion from the state's land trust fund over a 10-year period. All of the money going to fund public education. Almost everyone thought it was a good idea.
It's a terrible financial decision, and it's really unfortunate.
Former state treasurer Jeff DeWitt thought it was illegal. A federal judge agrees, ruling Arizona did not get congressional approval prior to moving forward with the land trust payouts.
We do understand that the money will continue to flow into our classrooms, so our educators don't need to be concerned about their paychecks.
The ruling allows Arizona to use the state land trust fund through 2025, but after that, lawmakers will need to have a permanent source of funding in place.
The whole idea of Prop 123 was to be a temporary stopgap. Keep those dollars coming in to give us time to have an adult conversation and figure out where those dollars were going to come and put them into schools.
Thomas says there have been no conversations between educators and lawmakers regarding long-term funding. 6 years, though, is still plenty of time to talk.
So in 2025, we're going to see $300 million or thereabouts disappear from education funding, and we have to replace that with something.
But it won't be Governor Ducey's problem. He'll be termed out. Any urge to solve that problem may have to wait until his successor arrives.
And a spokesperson for the governor says the decision attempts to overrule every branch of government is poorly reasoned, and for that, Arizona will appeal.